That's the simplicity of LiveGood. When we talk about it's so simple, it's really that simple. Again, highest quality products, which is documented. We show you every possible testing proudly without you even asking for it. At the lowest price, highest quality, lowest price, 100% money back guarantee, and training by these two lovely people. That's LiveGood. That's the simplicity of LiveGood. You don't have to go out there, take a college course and learn a whole bunch of techniques and tactics of how to recruit people and how to share the products with people. You know why? Because everybody knows what a multivitamin is. Everybody knows what a collagen is. Everybody knows what a CBD oil is. Everybody, I mean, the products that we offer are the products that people are familiar with. It's just they've been overpaying for it because in the case of traditional network marketing companies and so on and so forth, okay, in a case of network marketing companies and so on and so forth, which is okay, old way of doing it, they make a product for $5, they bring it to the marketplace for about $60, which is 12 times the cost. And out of that gap between the $5 and the $60 that they sell the product to their members for, in a traditional home-based businesses, they pay commissions. Some of the companies have multiple offices in different countries. They hire a whole bunch of staff, all kinds of stuff. That's the old way of doing network marketing. The new way of doing network marketing, which we're doing in LiveGood, which is a supplement company, but we use the goodness of network marketing, the kindness of network marketing, referral marketing. And that's when you find something, you genuinely want to go tell your friend. Just like they said in the old days, if you go to a movie and you like the movie, you tell your friends. If you go to a barber and you like the barber, you tell your friends. If you go to a restaurant, you like the restaurant, you tell your friends. However, in the old way of doing network marketing, you go to your friend to go get let's say if you're going to refer your barber to your friend, and if that barber was going to commission you for referring the friend, and the person who referred you and referred you and referred you, guess what? That $14 haircut would be $65. Why? Because that barber had to pay a commission or some kind of a kickback to the guy who referred me and the guy who referred him and the lady who referred him, so on and so forth. Traditional commerce would never put up with what network marketing has been putting up with since 1934, and that's making products for $5 and selling it to the distributors for 12 times the cost, which is about $60. And then out of that gap, they pay commissions to a handful of people. They have all kinds of offices and buildings. And then some of those companies have different type of compensation plan, which, you know, the value of $1 versus the BV, all that. You don't have to worry about it because that's the old way of doing network marketing. The new way of doing network marketing is commissioning the membership. So we can actually splurge, and the world is splurge. I want to talk about this. The word is splurge. I want you to be able to splurge on being able to go out there and we can actually put the best ingredients in the product. So that's what's LiveGood. So step number one, what you want to do is go out there, become the product of the product. Place your product order. You got to go out there, and that's your excitement. Because let's say if you place a product order, I'm going to give you a quick example. For Ultimate Wellness Pack. It comes with everything that you need for about $4 a day. Guess what else is $4 a day? This is $4 for 5 hours. This is $4 a day for all day, and it comes with 100% money back guarantee, no questions asked. Most people, when they join LiveGood, they place this product order because, again, as I mentioned, this is $100 and this is about $100. This is $100. You got to buy 2 of these. That's going to be $8, $9 a day times 30 days a week. Do the math. And this is $4 a day. This is $8 a day. So you're not going telling your friends to do something they don't need. They already know supplementation is important. They already know all things. But the most important thing is now you give them an opportunity for them to get healthy, stay healthy, do it in an affordable way. Hold on one second. Okay, so I got people here that I got to go. We have youth retreats back and forth here. So what I want you to do, ladies and gentlemen, place your product order. The second thing you want to do is fill out the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet. It's absolutely free. Send it to the company and start sharing the love of LiveGood with everyone that you know. Because at the rate we're growing, ladies and gentlemen, everybody that you can think of on planet Earth is going to hear about LiveGood through you or someone else. But it all starts with you becoming the product of the product. And remember, highest quality products at the lowest price with 100% money back guarantee. I want to thank all of you for joining LiveGood. Go out there and share the love, ladies and gentlemen, because we will have 100 million people. We have just about 2 million members already. We love you. We appreciate you. And we become the product of the product, and go share the love.